everyone, so welcome back to the channel Glaciers. So in this video I'm going to be making some slime by popping balloons. So basically inside these balloons I have all the slime ingredients and I'm just basically going to cut it with the scissors, as you can see, and putting the ingredient into my bowl, then mixing it together until we finally have our slime. So first, as you can see, I have added some clear glue. It's actually not entirely clear. It is like has a yellowish tint to it because I used the brand Fevikwik. They make glues which have this yellow tint, but you can definitely use a glue which is completely clear. And the next thing which I'm going to add is some white glue. I know it does look like some shaving cream, but it's actually white glue. I don't really know why I mixed both the glues in one slime, but yeah. And guys, filming this video, though it was a lot of fun, but it also required a lot of effort for putting all the slime ingredients inside the balloons. So if you do appreciate my effort, then please make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you like slime videos like this. And if you want to be the first one to know when I upload a new video, then make sure you also hit the bell icon. And with that all being said, let's continue with the video. So the next ingredient which I'm going to be adding in is some baby oil. And guys, I actually ended up adding a lot of baby oil. Actually, when I was storing the baby oil inside the balloon, I didn't really realize the quantity. That is why I ended up adding so much. And later on in the video, you will also see that how the adding in too much baby oil will actually not really make that slime that great. Anyway, adding in baby oil isn't necessary for making clear slimes or any kind of slimes. I just thought it would give the clear slime a really nice glossy finish, so that's why I added in it. Anyway, so the next thing which I'm going to be adding in is some of this fine blue colored glitter. And by the way guys, popping all these balloons was so much fun and its sounds were also so really satisfying. And actually from my stash of balloons, I was actually searching for which exactly balloon to open. And the next thing, as you can see, is some more chunky red colored glitter. And actually I would like to also mention that I was actually earlier thinking of making two different types of slimes using these mystery balloons, but I actually ended up combining both of them and making one single video of it. And that is why you actually saw that I had two different kinds of views, and that is exactly the reason why, because I was planning to film two different kinds of videos. So the next step for this slime is that we are going to add in some activator, and before it obviously we are going to be mixing the slime. In this part, watching and doing both was so satisfying, as you can see. So we have to mix the slime until like just a normal consistency of slime. Like we basically have to just put everything together. And here I'm using a popsicle stick to do that. And here actually I was just checking how much baby oil I had added, due to which the slime wasn't actually so great. You might not see it in the camera, but it was really oily, and it wasn't just like a perfect slime consistency. Anyway, so the next thing which I ended up adding after this was obviously activator, which again I would mention is that I added a little bit too much, because I obviously, when I was filling in the balloon, I thought that the activator shouldn't be less, but yeah, as you can see, I added a lot. And I was trying to store it in the newspaper beside, but then it wasn't coming together, so I added the entire balloon again. And yeah, that was a great mistake which I did, because as you can see, the slime might seem just as fine now, but it didn't felt good at all. Like basically I just ended up overactivating my slime, in short. So yeah, and basically that's just it for this video. Actually, further in the video you might also see that I tried to fix the slime, but it doesn't actually get fixed. So guys, actually I am also planning to make a makeover video of this slime as well, because it has become completely hard and overactivated. So yeah, if you want to see that video, then stay tuned for that. And that's just it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see any more slime challenges like this one, then make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. And I am also planning to make an slime blindfolded making slime what am I saying blindfolded slime making challenge. So if you want to see a video like that, then make sure to just let me know in the comment section down below. I'll come up with that video soon. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and bye guys.